Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is a new PowerPoint template idea that I got. So let me show you how to make this PowerPoint presentation in few steps in just 7 minutes. So first of all, be sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe my channel to get more videos like this. Also, don't forget to like my video. So first of all, go to format shape and give it this dark blue color. I'm using eyedropper. Close the format background, duplicate the slide, and add a section like this and title it. Go to Insert tab, Shapes, and add a huge circle. Change its size to about 17 to 18. Both height and width. Put it into the center. Go to Format Background and give it a gradient like this. Go to Line and give it a solid line with a PT of 6 and change its width to 6 and color to white. Go to Insert tab and add a text box right here. Write Introduction. Select the text box, increase the size to 54 and change the font. Move it downwards. Go to shape format and move it to the center. Now go to home and change the color to white. Move it downwards. Go to insert tab and icons and choose any of the icons from these. I'm using this king shaped icon, so there you go. Change its size and height and width to 4 and change its color to white and move it to the center, align it to the center and go to graphic fill and change its fill to white. Duplicate the slide, select the circle and you have to go to shape format and increase its size to 40. Both height and width have to be 40. Now you have to move it into the center and the middle of the template. Remove its fill. Now you have to decrease this icon size to 2 and move it upwards and decrease the text size to 40 and move it next to this icon. There you go. Duplicate this template and put it into the fourth side and add a section named process and duplicate this template and move it right here. You have to change the title and you have to change the graphic. Choose another graphic that you like and insert it onto the previous graphics place and you have to do the same in the fifth template. There you go. And you have to change the text as well. There you go. Now you have to duplicate this template and add a section named as results and give the headings as results and move it to the center and change the graphic from icons and use another icon in place of it. Do the same to this seventh template. There you go. I'm changing this graphic as well. Let's use this graphic. Now what you have to do is go to first template and add a bit of shapes and text and whatever you like. So I'm adding this one. Let me remove this color palette. There you go. Wait, I have forgotten one shape, so I'm gonna paste it here and I'm gonna send it to the back. Let's adjust some of the shapes. Let me send this circle to the back. You can use this design if you want. There you go. Now I'm gonna select this circle. Now you have to go to Insert tab and insert Zoom and insert sections and choose these three sections that you made. You have to put them in order that introduction comes first, process comes in the middle, and results comes in the last. And you have to click on this option, zoom background, to remove their backgrounds. Adjust them. I'm gonna add the title into the first template. There you go. I'm gonna select both the titles and move them to the right side, a little bit away from the zoom. Now select all the templates and give them the transition of morph. Give the first the transition of morph as well. This is the preview. So let me give this one the transition as well. Increase the timing as I have done. Onto the third and fourth template, you have to give a timing of 1. Under the fourth and fifth, you have to give a timing of 2 minutes, 2 seconds. Yeah, so this is the final result. Be sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Don't forget to comment down to let us know about your opinions and your thoughts so that we can make more better videos. And you can ask me for any tutorial regarding PowerPoint. I can make that as well.